Hello everyone, welcome back to SAP In Depth. I would like to thank you all for giving us a huge response. Without wasting any further time, we'll start with our next topic. Before that, please subscribe to YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming and latest videos. So let's get started. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can define organization structure in SAP. First, we will see how we can define company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization, and purchase group. So what is mean by company code? What is mean by plant, storage location, purchasing organization, and purchase group? I have already created a video for that. I will put the link of that video in the description box. Please go through the video so that you will find out the exact definition of the terms. So first, we are going to see how we can create the company code in SAP environment. Okay, so for that we need to first log into your system. So once you log into your system, the dashboard looks like this. Okay, after that we need to follow one path, and that is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, if you don't want to follow this lengthy route, so we can directly type OX02 or EC01. Okay, so first we will go through this path and then we will see what is this T code. Okay, so once you log into your SAP, here is one command box. So simply type SPRO over here. So SPRO is nothing but SAP project reference object. Then hit enter. Then go to SAP reference IMG. So IMG stands for implementation guide. So click on IMG and then go to the enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and here you can see edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, and this is the execute icon. So please click here in execute icon. Now it will ask you whether you want to copy, delete, check company code or whether you want to edit company code. So first we will create one company code and then we will edit that company code data. Okay, for that we need to double click over here. Now this screen will pop up. Now here you have to select copy or object. It means we are copying data, okay, from company code and to company code. From it means the company code which is already available in the SAP system, and to means the one which we are going to create. Okay, first I will show you the data which company code we are going to create. So see, we are going to create two company codes, GM10 and GM20, General Motor INC and General Motors GmbH. Okay, now we have checked this path. Now what about this T code? Okay, so first we will check OX02. Just close this, just remember the screen. Okay, go back, cancel, back. Now what is the code? It is OX02, right? So simply put OX02 in the command box and hit enter. Now you are here. Okay, now go back and put EC01 and hit enter. Now see, the same screen pops up when you put T code simply over here, EC01. Okay, hit enter. So either you follow the path or the T code, it will en route you to the same screen. Okay, So at the initial stage, you must follow the path because path gives you a much more clarity, right? So again, I will follow the path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and here edit, copy, delete, check, company code, execute. Copy, delete, check, company code. Organization object. Now from company code, so I will select SAP as the 0001. This is the standard company code. Okay, so double click on this and two company code. So we have already decided GM10 is my company code. Okay, so who will give you this data? Obviously, for which project you are working, that project team or that business will provide you this data. You don't need to worry about the what will be the code, what will be the name, city, address, and everything. Okay, you need not to worry about that because that organization for which you are implementing SAP, that organization itself will provide you all the data. So don't worry about the data right now. Okay, just focus on the path. Now two company code I have already copied. It is GM10. Execute. Do you want to copy GL account company code data? Yes, I want to copy GL. Do you want to copy the assignment to the controlling area? Yes, I want to copy. Do you want to allocate different local currency to a target company code? So let's say yes. Now it will ask you the currency. So my currency for GM10 is USD. USD is nothing but US dollars. Okay. Now hit enter. Continue. If you want to read, you can read, but just hit enter. Okay. Now, do you really want to transport number range? No. I want to create my own number range. So I will click on no. Now see here the data is getting copied. Okay. Now now this is transport request. So here we'll create a new request, and what will be the description? Define company code for General Motors and hit save. Okay, and continue. Now this is called as a transport request. So what is the use of that transport request and all? I have already explained it in a previous video. So please go through the previous video so that you will get the better picture. Okay, I will put the link of that video in the description. Now see, company code 0001 copied to GM10. Okay, so hit continue. Now see, company code selected object was 0001. Completed activity is GM10. It means GM10 company code is available in the SAP system. Okay, now just go back. Now click here, edit company code data. Now go to the position and put our company code. Now see, GM10 is available. However, the company name SAP SE is still there. Okay, why it is SAP SE? Because we have copied from 0001. So the company code 0001 is having company name SAP SE. That's why for the company code GM10, the name is copied from that 0001 company code. Okay, now go back. Okay, now again click here, go to edit company code data, and now change the name of that specific company code. Okay, so I have already decided the name, General Motor Inc. for GM10. I will copy and paste over here. What is the city? The city is It is actually not Cupertino, it is Detroit, but let it be region US. Okay, if you don't know the region code and everything, you need not to worry about that. Just click here and find the country which you want. Okay, so General Motor is in USA, so I am finding US or USA something. Okay, so here you can find USA. Okay, now what is the currency? Yes, USD is fine. USD is nothing but US dollar, and the language D is Deutsch. However, I want English, so I will put EN only and hit enter, and we will save the data. Okay, continue. Data was saved. Go back. Now, if you go to GM10, here you will see the company name as General Motor Inc. Okay, now close. Now we have one more company code, and that is GM20. Okay, so we'll follow the same path, or else we'll go to the code, and the code is T code. The code and the T code is E01. Hit enter. Okay, now copy organization object 0001 standard ACP code, company code from and to. The GM20 is the new one. Hit enter. Now again, do you want to copy the GL account? Yes. Do you want to copy the assignment to the controlling area? Let's say yes. And target company code, let's say no. That is fine. Okay. Do you want to transport number range? No. And see, data is getting copied. Now again, we need to change the name and everything. Okay. So I will copy this name, General Motor GmbH. Okay. Now here you can see company code 0001 copied to GM20. That is fine. Here selected object is 0001 and completed activity is GM20. Now go back. Now again go to that transaction to edit the name, and the transaction code is OX02. Okay. So go to OX02, hit enter, go to position GM20, hit enter, double click on GM20 and change the name. Okay. And what is the city? It is mentioned. Region is Deutschland, currency is euros, and language is, change the language as EN. Okay, hit enter, and now save the data, and we will save in same transport request. It is taking some time. Now see, data was saved. Go back. Now you might wonder that we have created two company code, right? These are the two company code, GM10 and GM20. So the thing is, this data will be saved in this table T001. Okay, in this table all the company code related data will be saved. So or how we can access this table? Just simply go to the command bar, put here SE16N and hit enter. Okay, now here it is asking for database. It means it is asking for which table. Okay, so here T001 is my table. Hit enter. Now here it is asking for company code. Okay, now go to this icon First we will see, first we will check the GM10 company code. Okay, hit enter and execute. Now see, so whatever information we have put during the creation of this company code, that information is popped up in this table. So GM10 is the company code, company name is General Motor Inc, city is Cupertino, currency is US USD, it is country and region is US, currency is USD, language is English, chart of account is INT and all. Okay, so this is there. Now if you want to check, this is just the one company code, right? If you go back, if you want to check the data of multiple company code, you have to just click here and you can put multiple company code data over here, like GM10, GM20, and execute. Right now you will get the data of multiple company code over here. Okay, so GM10 and GM20, General Motor Inc and General Motor GmbH. Okay, so this is how we can create company code in SAP. Well, on regular basis, I am going to upload PowerPoint presentation on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, X or Twitter, and Reddit. Not only just PowerPoint presentation, but also I am going to upload important files just for your reference. If you have any concerns, please feel free to ask on any of the social media platform, and for sure I will get back to you. To get the notification of upcoming and latest videos, please subscribe to YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day ahead.
Disclaimer: educational use only. This video is designed for educational and informational purposes only. Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Trademark disclaimer. This video may contain trademarks, logos, and service marks of third parties, including but not limited to SAP SE, Microsoft Corporation, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Clipchamp, Google LLC, and OBS Project. These trademarks are the property of their respective owners. This channel is not affiliated with, endorsed by, sponsored by, or explicitly connected to SAP SE, Microsoft, or any other company mentioned. All software demonstrations are performed for educational instruction only. Copyright issues? If you are a copyright owner and have concerns about this video, please contact me directly at indepsap@gmail.com, and I will address the issue immediately.